I'm gonna be honest, I've never, ever made a cheesecake before. Like a real cheesecake. I mean, yeah, I've made like little parfait things and the no-bake stuff, but that's not a real cheesecake. That's a, oh yeah, you know, you can still get the taste. I've never actually baked one. So, Sean wants one. There's a first time for everything. He wants a strawberry cheesecake since we have all these awesome strawberries, right? So I'm gonna make one. And I'm gonna make a gluten-free one. I found this at the store. I didn't think they actually sold these, but they do. And lucky for me, they actually have a recipe in the back that I'm going to use since I don't have one. So according to this, ooh, they give you two. They give you a strawberry cheesecake, coconut cream, and a coconut cream pie one. I hope that this tastes good. So this is the recipe I'm gonna be using. From the looks of it, it looks pretty simple. However, I'm going to make my own strawberry stuff on the top with fresh strawberries. I think that'll be pretty simple since I make strawberry jam. I'll just candy the strawberries, cook them a little bit on the stove, and that should be, voila, very easy. So apparently this is only 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 packs of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 eggs. I could do that. That sounds pretty simple. I think the only thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tweak it a little bit. I've heard, and I've also read, that flour makes cheesecake a little more, you know, the consistency more firmer. So I kind of want a little bit of a New York cheesecake type of cheesecake. So I might add a little bit of the gluten-free flour that Sean makes. We'll see how it comes out. Here we go. We are going to start by adding all of our ingredients into our mixing bowl. We're going to start with our 2 softened containers of cream cheese, 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and here is when I'm mixing it a little bit up. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of my gluten-free flour. If you don't want to make this gluten-free, then swap it for your regular flour. I'm pretty sure it'll be just as good. We're going to mix this until it's nice and smooth and there are no lumps. You're gonna see later on that this is a beginner's lesson. I kind of didn't mix it that well my first time. So go ahead and make sure to mix it until it's nice and smooth. Strawberry glaze, I'm gonna stick to what I typically use for my strawberry jam. I'm going to use 2 cups of strawberries, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 of a lemon, and I actually added a teaspoon of cornstarch just to help with the thickness since I'm not going to be cooking it for that long. Then over to the stove, we are going to be using a saucepan for this, and we are going to put it on high until it comes to a boil. When that happens, we're going to lower it all the way down and just let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Then we're going to transfer it to a container where we are going to place it to chill along with our cheesecake. And after about 2 to 3 hours, maybe 4, we're gonna take it back out and we are going to enjoy this. right, guys, the moment of truth. Let's see how this actually tastes. My very first cheesecake, and it's been modified, so let's see. Definitely rich looking. That's actually really good. I'm surprised with myself. I really like how my strawberry topping turned out. Not too sweet, a bit of a tang, not too thick, which is what I wanted to make sure I didn't get. So I pretty much followed the same stuff I do for my jam, just cooked it a lot less, and it's really good. Not so bad. I think next time what I'll do, the directions said do not overmix, and I wasn't sure what that meant, do not overmix. So I didn't mix it that much or that long. I think maybe next time I will mix it a little bit longer. This crust is actually really good. This crust is gluten-free. It's a really good crust. What do you think, Noah?
I'm the food cooked it in the house and it's really good.
It's really good?
Yeah.
How many stars you give it?
85.
85 stars? That's pretty high up there. Now it's your turn to go ahead and give it a try. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.